Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You're still watching Creative Business. Nagbabalik po ang Voice Master Pocholo De Leon Gonzalez. Woo!
Yes. Welcome back. Lloyd, teka.
Yeah, sorry, nadala ako. Sorry. I'm so impressed.
So ngayon, balik na rin natin. Ako ngayon ang magtatanong sa'yo.
Dapat dito ka nakaupo. Pero anyway, sige, diyan ka na. Nandito na tayo. Question. Walang mathematics.
Sino yung pinaka naaalala mong gines mo dito?
Pinaka naaalala kong
creative business.
Gines.
By the way, bago mo sagutin yan, ang salitang creative business kasi, ako nag-coin yan. Yung creative, galing sa salitang creative voices.
Okay.
Di ba?
Obviously.
Yung business, kasi wala tayong choice, kasi you need to talk about business.
Yeah. And probably, this is mine.
Oo nga.
This part is mine. I'm sure about this part.
Tsaka gusto natin i-feature yung mga kakaibang business ng mga tao na, especially the startup, no?
Right.
So maraming mga sumikat na ngayon, di ba?
Yeah, maraming sumikat. In fact, yung iba nagpakamatay. Hindi na kayanin yung pagsikat.
Maniwala sila.
Wala nagpakamatay. But yeah, I don't know. Every episode sa akin is unique. We simply enjoy the episode. Wala akong particular episode na matandaan, maliban sa episode natin ngayon.
Yung tipong
So probably ikaw ang sagot. Ikaw yung hindi ko makakalimutan.
Actually, di ba, matagal na dapat ako nag-guess. Sabi ko, mag-guess ako sa last day mo.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi
really? You prepared for this.
mo, ikaw ang guest ko.
Oh, interesting.
Unang mong broadcast dito sa GNN, under pa ng Voice of the UTV yan, ang title nun, Career 911.
Come on.
Dapat may video tayo na papakita, ha? Isama natin yan, Abby. Baby.
Wala.
Hindi, makikita mo yan sa YouTube. Hanapin nyo, Lloyd Luna. Career 911.
Come on. That was a nightmare.
Ano yun? 2008 yun.
2008? 9?
No, 2008. Kasi yun yung voting.
But every episode sa akin is unique. We just enjoyed it. So, I don't know. Wala akong particular special na episode na may matatandaan akong guests. It's more than 200 episodes in 4 years.
So,
16
parang
seasons.
sinasabi mo na every episode ay unique.
Exactly. Halos, in other words, wala akong matandaan. So, probably magandang excuse yun. Wala akong natatandaan. But it went well. Next question, please.
Ano yan parang sa mga talks mo naman, no? May nanonood ba dito sa programa mo? Ano mo napatunayan na nasa buong Pilipinas ay nakapapanood ang GNN?
When I was in Davao, I watched. And so I watched. Alam kong may nanonood sa Davao, which is me.
Hindi. Yung totoo, kasi di ba may lumapit sa'yo, sir, napanood kita.
That one. That experience is unique. Nasa HMR ako, bumibili ako ng mga second hand. Alam mo naman, kapag wala kang pera, pamilang brand new, punta ka doon sa HMR, just sa may Boni. And then, may isa akong tinitingnan chair, and then, may lumapit sa akin na asama ng tingin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit masama ang tingin. Dahil tingin ko naman, hindi ako masamang muka. Pero masama yung tingin niya. Kala ko sasaksakin niya or something kasi parang pinareserve niya na yung chair tapos tinitingnan ko pa. And then sabi sa akin, "Hey! I know you! You are the creative business guy." So, yes, I am.
May follower ka pala.
Exactly.
Pero hindi alam pangalan mo.
Yeah, hindi alam.
Ang creative business alam, pero with Lloyd Luna.
Yeah, because it's bigger, this is smaller. I think next time, mas lalaki ako na. But that's...
Kasi hindi sila maniwala na ikaw yun.
Exactly. And hindi ako presentable doon kagaya
na naniniwala ikaw yung host
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It does not change anything. I'm still the host. So,
parang sa mga talks mo lang yan, pag magsasalita ka. Kasi yung traditional na mga host, alam mo yung mga matulad ko, maputi, pogi, di ba?
Tama na, nakakasakit na.
Joke
ang alam mo, magtatanong ka lang dapat.
Yung sinasabi natin na binago natin ang approach kasi sa pagkakaroon ng isang talk show, no?
I think...
At nakita ko nag-revolutionize ang creative business with Lloyd Luna dahil sa ginawa natin.
Because hindi tayo nag-start ng ganito. We figured out things, pinag-aralan natin, tinignan natin kung ano yung mag-work, ano yung hindi mag-work. So obviously, parang dumaan din sa experiment yung kung paano gagawin to na mas okay. And pinili natin yung maging natural ka, kung sino ka, express mo lang. Wag kang maging iba. My God! Was that it?
Oy,
my goodness!
Pinapakita! Ayos! Ang galing mo, baby!
No way! On my last day, you are doing this to me?
Di ba? Nakita niyo, ang galing mo. Ang galing talaga ng ating director na si baby.
Poor lighting, right? Poor lighting.
Ayan. Lloyd Luna. Look at you.
That was me.
Wala namang pinagkaiba.
2008.
Nagkasalamin ka lang, ano?
Yeah, I guess.
Mas pumogi
I was
ka
preaching. I was preaching. I think I was planning to build a church in 2008.
Kanain mo yun.
Talaga? Yeah.
Kita mo? Ang
Hindi
ganda
maganda
ng-
yung lighting nun, but you know, I could have been
yung
lighter.
Sa mga, ayan pa.
Oh, I was interviewing my friend Alvin Tan, Voice of the Youth.
Ha! That's you, Lloyd Luna. Oh my God, that's
Can you
good.
imagine? That's how I looked.
Ibig sabihin, nag-evolve ka na. Naniniwala ako sa evolution.
Sabi,
Nag-evolve talaga ang tao.
this is the latest version. Sabi,
Dati kang Homo sapilis. Homo erectus ka na ngayon.
wow, but that was the history. I started there like that. I didn't know what I was
masarap
doing.
balikan, no, yung mga ganyang itsura mo.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. For all of you, masarap, no? Paano naman ako, di ba?
Kaya nga, wala na rin kasing choice yung mga follower mo kasi last day mo na eh.
Yeah, so, what
Kaya mag-demand sila na
ano pa yung,
ibalik ka.
ano
no,
pa yung
one day.
worst? Ano pa yung worst na pwede nating ipakita? Come on, probably this is the worst.
Hindi, yung mas payat. Yung nakahubad, pakita mo yung sila.
I had that?
Hindi, hindi mo ba alam, in-email ko yan.
No, I didn't know.
Abangan.
I
Okay,
thought,
yan, lalabas na.
I thought atin lang yun. Sige, send it over.
Ayan na, look at that.
Wala na. It's censored. This is PG. Pocholo Gonzalez. Wow. But you have another question? Because I have a lot of answers.
Kasi ang daming dumaan sa buhay mo, yung mga naging ex mo, sinasama mo dito.
Shut up! I forgot about them all. When I got married, I forgot about them all.
Ganun.
But I can remember.
Oo
So,
nga.
I don't know.
Yung last kong visit dito, kasama mo pa yan eh.
Yeah, I
So,
think so.
ano-
And I also think na married na rin siya.
So, hindi mo ba
So-
siya babatiin man lang?
Well, I think God bless. All the best.
Ayan. Oy, by the way, nice kung batiin natin yung isang mentor mo, si Ian Barcelona dapat.
He was supposed to be here. Kaya lang sabi niya may training ako dito sa Bulacan. Hindi
Never
ako
mong
makapunta.
na-guess yun. Dahil dati rin siyang nandito.
Alright.
Yung perspective na program.
But anyway, pinabinabati natin siya at saka ang kanyang pamilya. Napaka-cute ng anak niya, no?
Kung kamukha ng anak mo, parang kambal sila, no?
Yeah, exactly. Parehas nagbana na sa nanay.
Sa inyong
Pwede.
dalawa.
Sa amin
Buti
dalawa.
na lang.
Interesting. So ano pang question mo? Kasi may oras pa tayo bago ako magbigay ng aking valedictory address.
O sige, ano yung last word mo?
Ano yung last? Mamaya, nandyan yun. Huwag kang magulo. Babasahin ko yan.
Yun nga. Ngayong ikaw na ang itinuturing. Maganda kasi to kasi ang Lloyd Luna itong mapapatunayan ko sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon.
Kung meron.
Nasaksihan
We are not
ko
sure.
ang iyong evolution, no? Ang iyong kung paano mula sa isang simpleng mamamayan, estudyante na nangarap na
Bilisan.
makilala sa industriya ng public speaking.
Oh, sige.
Ayan.
Bilisan mo na.
Hanggang
dahil
sa ikaw ay kinilala bilang ang pambansang inspirasyon, Lloyd Luna. Ayan.
Parang ganda ng
So,
katawan.
gaano na karami ang na-inspire, na-motivate at na-empower mo sa buong Pilipinas?
No, I think
at sa buong mundo?
in the last 10 years, I think I have motivated more than 500,000 people.
Ba?
Hindi lang naman sa Philippines. pati
Pero para
abroad.
sa akin, hindi lang 500,000 yan.
No, I don't know.
Isama mo na yung mga nanonood ng
maybe
yung program.
500,000 one, I don't know. 500,000 and
Million
two.
yan, million. Kasi may TV show ka eh.
But nonetheless, this is what I like to do, di ba? Parang motivate people. And tatanong, saan ang galing yung pambansang inspirasyon? Well, I don't know. Probably it came from me.
That's what you call personal branding. Ano? Parang
Yeah.
parang ganin until you became
Until you
Or
become that. But I think ang gamble lang dito is, will people agree dun sa brand na kinreate mo? Because if they will not agree, epic failure yon.
Tama,
So if
tama.
you're going to claim your brand, I think you will have to really stand by it.
So, ito
Papatunayan
ang
mo.
the best question ko sa iyo, Mr. Pambansang Inspirasyon.
We have still 5 minutes. Come on. I need
Paano
more questions.
mo nasabing ikaw ang pambansang inspirasyon?
Well, una, walang pambansang inspirasyon.
Mhm.
At kung wala, edi ako na yon.
Pangalawa,
So,
paano
ikalawa,
mo napatunayan na ikaw ang pambansang inspirasyon?
edi magpunta sa Twitter, magpunta sa Facebook, eh, kunin lang yung hashtag na pambansang inspirasyon, tingnan ko sinong lalabas. Siyempre ako yon, nanay ko, tatay ko, mga kapatid ko, at mga pinsan ko. Pero dumami na rin sila. May mga estudyante na nakakapakinig and they agree.
So,
Ang hihina, baka ang dadali ng mga tanong sa akin. Can somebody give me a tough question?
sige. Ito Ito pinakamalupit.
Come on, show your UP.
Hindi,
This is PUP, the battle of UP and PUP.
Pag tinanong
We are
mo-
better,
ito,
two-letter P.
pinakamagandang challenge ko sa'yo. Pag tinanong mo
Question
ang
lang.
sarili mo, anong unang itatanong mo?
How are you?
Sagutin mo.
I'm fine.
Ganun lang?
Yeah, yun
O
lang.
ganun ka mag-isip ng mga taga-PUP?
Oh, wait. Wait a
Boom,
minute.
panis. Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
I thought you were joking. You're not joking. So talagang,
Hindi,
base doon sa
sabi nga natin, ang
hinusgahan mo.
PUP, mas malaki yan sa UP kasi Philippine University of the Philippines.
Yeah, we have two Philippines.
Oo.
But we also have two-letter Ps. And they're unlike UP, very plain.
Oo.
PUP is a polytechnic. We have a lot of technics.
Oo.
Yeah. But you know,
Polytechnic.
sabi nyo nga, Peking UP kami.
Parang UP rin.
Parang pwede.
Ay,
Peking UP.
Hindi, huwag natin pag-usapan.
Ang sabi ko,
Marami
masapat na po.
nanonood ng mga
No, I don't know. It's not the
taga-UP.
school. It's not the school. A lot of people came from UP, did not make it. A lot of people came from PUP and also did not make it.
Pero,
So,
yun
walang
nga.
point. Kahit saan ka
Saan mo
nagagaling.
nakikita yung sarili mo after this program?
Sa office, because I'm going back to office.
So, wala ka ng mga taping ngayon?
Well, we are going to...
Hindi ka ba maninibago na hindi mo na napapanood yung sarili mo? Kasi di ba ikaw lang nanonood ng sarili
Well,
mo?
I have a lot of files.
Ha?
I have a lot of
So,
files.
pwede mong balikan.
I can watch it over and over again. So I think this
Actually-
show will continue on my desktop.
Pumapalo tayo sa survey, no?
Yeah, last time we had 1%, now we are 2. We have
Dalawa
2,
na tayo manonood niya.
Yeah.
So, abangan natin tong broadcast.
Eh, katapat tayo ng ASAP. What do you expect? Buti nga naka 2% tayo. It's an achievement, you know?
So,
You should congratulate me for that.
sa mga libro mo na sinulat,
Mhm.
ano ang masasabi mong nagbago ng buhay mo?
Lahat.
Bakit?
Gusto ko lang.
Trip-trip lang.
Yeah, I think
Di ba,
lahat. But the first
so,
book...
sa sobrang, di ba, ikaw ang most sought after motivational speaker and author
No, I think in
Tama
the
ba?
second, you're the first.
na,
The most sought after.
then ano,
You're first, I'm second.
bakit?
No, I was hoping you will correct me. So, pinanindig ka mo. Di, ikaw na yung una.
Yung una mong libro, kasi hindi mo pa nabanggit yan sa
Yung
Tanang Buhay
kauna-unahang
Mo Dito.
libro is There a Job Waiting for
Oh,
You?
yan. Paano na bago ng librong yan ang buhay
Yeah,
mo?
because yung There a Job Waiting for You, I wrote it when I had no job.
Ayan. Maganda
So,
yan,
I dedicated
kwento
the
mo.
book to myself. After writing the manuscript for about 15 days, in-offer ko sa publishing companies, and they all turned me down. So, binasa ko yung manuscript, nagandahan ako. And I said, what on earth should be the problem? Because maganda yung aking manuscript, I publish it myself. So, that started the Lloyd Lunasa Publishing Company. Because nobody believed in my work, I believed in my work. And that started it. And I think many people can learn from this. Kung may mga hindi maniniwala sa inyo, oh my God! Really? Are you sure? This is not prepared, but you
Oo
know,
nga eh.
that's the book. That's the book. The first book I wrote.
Kasi nga, dahil wala kang trabaho, tinanong mo yung sarili mo.
Is there a job
kung-
waiting for me?
Kung ano ba yung tamang trabaho para sa sarili mo,
Exactly.
sa skill mo. Kasi di ba, ECE,
ECE,
ang course
yeah.
mo, madali yun eh.
ECE.
Oo,
Yeah, ECE.
ECE.
Basically ECE.
Ano ba ibig sabihin nun?
Electronics,
Electronics and computers engineering.
No, don't mix it. Two.
Oh.
They are two different things. Electronics and communications engineering. Kami yung dapat yung camera nasa akin. Kasi masyado nabababa doon sa guest ko.
Hindi, akong host mo ngayon.
Okay, kayo yung host.
Kasi last day mo na, wala kang
Alright.
choice.
But you know, ano yung question mo? Yeah, electronics and communications engineering. Kami yung nagde-design ng mga towers, sa mga cable, etc. Sa electronics thing. And when I was in college, electronics, sabi ng professor ko, Lloyd, ang ating trabaho ay hindi pa pwedeng parang doktor. Nasasabihin mo sa pasyente, sa kamag-anak ng pasyente, pag namatay yung pasyente mo, sasabihin mo, kagustuhan ng Diyos na mamatay siya. Dahil sabi niya, pag may dilalang radyo sa inyo, pagkatapos hindi nyo napagana, hindi mo pa pwedeng sabihin, naku po, kagustuhan po ng Diyos na hindi na gumana yung radyo nyo. So, this is very
So, hindi
technical.
pwedeng parang doktor yan.
Hindi pa pwede.
So, lahat may solusyon para sa isang
Exactly.
engineer.
So, ang ginawa ko noon, nung hindi ko maayos yung radyo, nung submission na namin, I bought a new one.
Matalino.
And, yeah, I told my professor,
Oy,
this is
balita-
working, this is fine.
Lloyd,
3 months warranty.
May bumabati ko sa'yo.
Sino
Maraming
bumabati ko
mga
sa akin?
nagsasabing...
Wala ako naririnig.
Hindi, sa akin, narinig ko.
Hayaan mo
Na
sila.
hindi raw ikaw ang tunay na pambansang inspirasyon.
Sino naman?
Ha? At Sinasabi nila noon, wala ka raw karapatan na maging motivational speaker.
Ah.
Patunayan mo yan sa kanila ngayon.
Ito na. Basahin na lang nila. Okay na yun. Tapos na yung time natin. Tapos na rin yung time mo.
Ganon?
Oo. Wala na
So,
tayong time.
alam mo, pinangarap ko kasing mag-host. Kaya lang, dahil naniniwala ako sa'yo. Kaya
Yeah.
ikaw ang nag-host.
I think,
Pang-radyo lang
yeah.
ako eh.
I think I did a better job. But thank you
Very
so
good.
much for your time. I really appreciate
Thank you
it.
for your time.
Yeah. Pocholo Gonzalez. the Vice
Hindi,
President.
congratulations for a job well done.
Yeah.
After
4 years.
almost 5 years na.
Almost 5 years na.
No?
Okay na?
Congratulations.
Okay.
Thank you.
Creative Business will be right back sa akin pong speech. Stay tuned.